Do some people experience pain during removal? Because your bio hair still grows underneath this hair system, you can experience discomfort when removing a system. However, there are a few ways to ease this discomfort. Make sure your adhesive is not too strong for what you need. If your adhesive is too strong, it will be harder to remove the system if it is still fully attached to the head and could pull the skin or hair when trying to remove it. Always try to remove the system once the adhesive has already broken down. Next, try a solvent like C22 or KP Pro to help remove the system. You can spray this at the base, helping to remove the sticky residue from the glue or tape, making it easier to remove the system. Thirdly, remove the system going with how the hair grows, not against it. With the solvent, the system will come off without any pain or discomfort. Hope that helps. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.